Good evening. Good evening. Good evening. What am I doing? Good evening, everyone. Reverend Elizabeth Mora here for my 8 o'clock check-in on Thursday, March 26th. I just spent an hour on the phone with about 15 people from our church and someone's sister from California who was looking for a place to hang out and connect with people. I want to mention that we'll be doing that again next week. So keep in touch with the Unity Northwest Facebook page, the Unity Northwest web page. If you aren't already on our email list, please go to Unity Northwest Church and click on the link at the bottom of the first page that says join our mailing list, and then you'll make sure that you'll get all of the updates. Normally, we only send one out once a week, but during this time when we're trying to reach so many people and not everyone is online and comfortable with that, we're trying to hit people as often as we can. So make sure that you check in and are on our mailing list on the web page for Unity Northwest Church, the Facebook page, and then my personal page. I try to post across all three platforms, and also videos. I'm in general recording them, taping them, and putting them up over on YouTube. So there's a Unity Northwest Church YouTube channel where all of this stuff is being posted as well. And so like many people, I am finding myself a little tired at the end of the day, more tired than normal, even though in some ways it seems like I'm doing less work and I'm doing more work. And I am an extrovert. It is all different. And so having said all that, I'm just a little bit tired tonight. I was going to work up a song. And that didn't happen. I was really focused today on getting us in touch with our members. So I have nothing more for tonight, and you don't need anything more. There's tons of stuff out there. You can check the YouTube channel if you're looking for a little something. Thanks, Laura. And I am just simply going to say good night, and I'll see you tomorrow.